Hey guys, in today's video I'll be breaking down everything he played. This went viral on TikTok, so I decided to share it to you so that in case you hear the song or your church will be playing this song in church, you can be able to apply these fills and maybe the runs or everything he played in the song. Okay, if you're interested and you want to learn how to play this song fully, I do private class lesson. DM me on my WhatsApp. You see the link in the comment section below or in the description below. Click on the link, it will take you direct to the WhatsApp. But before we start the breakdown, if you're new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and also share this video to your friends. So guys, grab your bass and let's begin with the tutorial. So I'll try and break it down so that you understand everything in this video. Okay, I'm not just here to just break down the fills or everything. Maybe you might learn and you won't know how to apply it in any song out there. Okay, so this is a simple English song that went viral on YouTube, that is Firm Foundation. And if you have come across this song, I'll teach you how to play it simple. Okay, but if you want the full breakdown of this lesson, just DM me. Okay, so let's once look at what he played. Okay, so to those who haven't heard the song, you might be confused because of where he started. Okay, so I have the normal song, which it wasn't the same key, but I tried to pitch down to get the same key to the song. Okay, so let's understand the song before we bring in this. Okay, so Christ is my firm foundation, the rock on which I stand when everything around me is shaking. I've never been more glad that I put my faith in Jesus, 'cause He's never let me down. He's faithful through generations. So why would He fail now? See that He won't. No, He won't. He won't fail. He won't fail. You see, so this is the song, you understand? So let me break it down for you by applying simple things to play before you can be bringing what he played. Okay, go. Christ is my firm foundation, the rock on which I stand when everything around. So let's look at that. Da, 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 one. You slide to your 6, then to your 5, a passing note. Okay, so that is 1 2 5. Da 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 da. You understand? I stand when everything around me is shaking. I've never been more glad. You see, so da da da, 4 3 2 1, doom 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 doom, da da. You continue, doom doom. So I just want you to understand the concept of the song. Okay. I've never been more glad that I put my faith in Jesus, 'cause He's never let me down. He's faithful through generations. So why would He fail now? See it. So da 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 da. You understand? So da da 5 6 2 2 2 2 2 2 1 1 1. Slide to your 6, your 5 passing note. Da 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 da. To your 6. You can also do that. So 2 3 5 6, then 1 2 5. You understand? Okay, so master the first lines, that is da 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 da. Then you come to your 2 2 2 2 1 6 6 6 6 5. You understand? Understand the first progression and the second progression starting from 2. Okay. He won. Your 1, your 2, 6 5 5 4 6 5 1 1 4. You understand? Okay, so now let's check out the breakdown, and after we've done with the breakdown, we will try and apply whatever he played to this song, okay, so that you can also use this song to practice with the fills and whatever he played. Okay, so let me break it down for you. So from your 6 to your 5. Da, 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 da. Before you play the lick, okay? So 6 6 6 6 6 1 2 5 5 5 do, 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 do. So you slide from your 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 on your 8th fret. 1 2 1, you slide to your 2 3, pluck on your 3, then 4 3 2 1. You see, so you understand? Okay, so when you hit your 1, you pull off back to your 7. So okay, 1 7 6 5, then 1 1 7 6 5 3 2 1. Okay, so when you hit your 1, you pluck your 1 again. Okay, you see, so so 1 1 7 6 5 6 7 5 5 6. You understand? Okay, so dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 into your 5. So now let's try and apply this like he played in the normal song. Okay, so Christ is my firm foundation, the rock on which I stand, when everything around me is shaking. I've never been more glad. You see? Okay, so when you have practiced how to play the lick, then you can use this song and move along with it. Okay, so now let's continue with the breakdown and see. I like what he played over there. So let's continue. Okay, so there he didn't play anything, he just played it steady. You can decide to play it steady, but I can teach you something. Okay, remember the progression, it was 4 3, you understand, but he played 2 from the start, then 4 3 then to your 6, then 5. You understand? Okay, 5 6 2 2 2. You can do it that way. Okay, so first 2 2 2 4 4. You understand? You have your 2 3, then 3. Okay, then to your 6. You understand? Okay, so when I played fully,
Christ is my firm foundation, the rock on which I stand, when everything around me is shaking. I've never been more glad
your 2.
that I put my faith in Jesus. 'Cause He's never let me down. He's faithful through.
You understand? Okay, so let's look at the breakdown. So what he played is 2 2 4 3, then 6 6 1 2 5 da 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 2. Then that is where he played the lick. Okay. Okay, so he played something like this. That was what he played. Okay, so let me teach you how that works. So da, 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 da. You understand? Remember that you be going to your 2, then 4 3, but he played on 2 2 2 2 1. So that progression is where he applied the lick. So then back to your 1. Okay, so it goes like this: 5 5 5 5 5 2 3 1, then 2 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4 6 2 3, then 2 1 6 1 7 5 6 1. Then to your 6. You understand? Okay, so now let me bring in this lick he played into the song. Okay, let's go. You see, you understand? So you just need to master it very well before you start playing it. So let me play it fully and see if I can try. Okay, I tried. It was the song was a little bit slow. That is why. Okay, so this is what I have for you. Learn how to apply the fills, the lick, the first lick and the second lick. Make sure you understand the progression before you start using them. Okay, so I'll be bringing you more of this TikTok trend on groove like this. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys later in the next video. Bye for now.
Christ is my firm foundation, the rock on which I stand.